This is a prototype to see if I can make a nice size Q, which is here, out of a half crown. Now the thing is, this is a half crown, and the challenge is not only going to be to reduce it to a size Q, but also make it look reasonably ring-like instead of some kind of industrial coupling. So I am going to punch a 1/2 inch hole in it. Let's see how that turns out. There is the 1/2 inch punched it out. Right. Let's take it out of here and have a look. I've given it a quick deburr. I wouldn't want to go any larger than that, I don't think, but that might work. Right, get folding it. Ooh, first fold. Right. Yeah, I don't think that'll be right bad. Let's finish making it into a ring. Right, well, we have made it into a ring-shaped thing and squished it from the outside in. The next is going to be to size it exactly to a Q. Now this is why I'm always overly cautious. I thought I'd push this one to the extreme, and this is what happens. That's why I think half crowns, you can push them, but you have to be very, very careful. So what we're going to do is start again with another one. Oh, still in there, look. Right, let's get that out and have a look. Well, this is the moment of truth. This is squishing it down about as far as I'm comfortable with. Let's unwrap it and take a look. What do we think? Look at that. It's where we want it. We need it to be a size smaller so that we can then shape it into a ring shape rather than a sort of cone shape. It's, I think, all right. So next we chuck it on the stretcher, but I'm going to anneal it again. I've annealed this one probably about 30 times so far, and really shrinking it down about 1/4 of a size at a time. Right, let's see. Well, here's the thing. So yeah, it's possible. My concern, it's okay getting it to that size. I just think some of the detail on the inside is going to be lost, and I think I'm also going to shave a bit more of the reed out of the inside. So I'll do that, then polish it, and we'll see what we end up with. Oh, it's ring shaped. And it's a size Q. I'm quite pleased with that. I did have to shave down a little bit on the inside of the reed. I think if I was doing this, I might take a little bit more out, but then you'd lose the definition. I don't know. Some of the inside detail has been lost, but that's inevitable. I think when you are putting things under such immense pressure. But having said that, the main detail, the wording, yeah, Elizabeth II. Yeah, okay. So it's possible to make a half crown into a size Q. Might even be possible to make it into a P, but realistically I think I've pushed my luck as far as I think I'm comfortable with. I don't mind doing it with these 67s because I've got bags of these, but for anything more valuable I might be a little bit more anxious, shall we say. Anyway, so this one, I'm going to pop this one. This will go in the shop, MadeByMartyn.co.uk. As a prototype, I think it has turned out pretty well. So if you want a size Q 1967 half crown ring, you know where to go. That's it. Actually, I should turn it over really, because then that can be the thumbnail. I'll make that the thumbnail of the video. Size Q.